Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U Ultra, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. It comes provided in a box with the device, so you can get it from there, or you can always also use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges and it will also work. So from there, we want to pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the device. So I'm just gonna put it sideways so you can get a look. So as you can see where it's basically holding, once you push it in, you can see that just popped out, gives you a message. I'm gonna actually set it back up because you already got a look. So once you take out, you have this tray right here. So let's place SD card like so, and then also a SIM card. There we go. And this tray actually holds the cards in there so they won't fall out, so you don't have to worry about that. And from there, you just want to slide it back in and go. And then there's the pin for the SIM card, and you should also get a message about the So, as you can see, the SIM card is working, SD card should be working as well, and that is basically how you would insert it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.